everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie and it's nice to meet you. And today I'm doing this snowflake queen video. So if you want to see how I create this, then keep on watching. Let's get started. So I have put on the Plouise base on my lids and that has dried in. So next on to the colours. Okay, if I can get any of these brushes. So I am using the Lash 35E palette and all the blues in it, and also I'm going to use Aria in the Keilidh Mua palette. So first I'm going to go in with this colour. So I'm just going to put that on my crease and the outside of my eye and just patting that into place. And then gently blending up. I'm going to go in with this shade. Just gently blend over the edge of that darker blue. Then I'm going to take this really light blue and just blend that gently into the brow bone. Now I'm going to just go into that darker blue again and put a wee bit more on just so you can actually see it, because we have lost quite a bit of colour there. That darker shade, and just bring that underneath. The Plouise base, I'm going to pop that on to cut the crease. Now I'm going in with the darker colour again and just patting it on. Then a wee bit of the lighter blue. And now glitter, glitter. Going in with this beautiful blue from the Keilidh Mua Urban Bible palette, and I'm just going to pat that all on where I've just cut the crease. This is beautiful. Now a wee bit of eyeliner and lashes. Okay, so we're going to do this eye. Well, we're going to copy this eye and go on to this eye. I am going to take the Collection Fast Stroke eyeliner in white and try create snowflakes. I'm just adding little dots in between any spaces so it looks like a little bit of snow. Now I'm taking the Festival Face glitter, which is just a white sort of glitter focus, which is just like a white sort of sparkly glitter, and it's gorgeous. I'm just going to place that glitter all around these snowflakes. I'm taking a bit more of that glitter and putting it in here, which just makes it look so pretty. And this glue does dry clear, so don't be getting too worked up about how white that looks at the minute. Now I'm taking little pearls and I'm going, whoa, that was black. And I'm gonna just go up here with them. So I'm putting the biggest beads in the corners of my eyes. And it doesn't matter if you have stuck them exactly where you had the little dots, that was just like an eyeliner. Okay, so my camera knocked off, which meant I had to go charge it. So I have just added on little silver diamonds in between the pearls just to make it more in your face. So you can just finish off with this look, but because I am a wee bit extra, I am going to add some things to the chest, which, because it is winter and you don't normally get to use these face diamonds because they're festival kind of diamonds, you do this look, you get to use them. So I'm just going to stick those diamonds right in the middle, and then I'm going to draw on some more snowflakes with the white eyeliner again. This would probably be better with paint, but I don't have any paint at the minute. So yeah, and I'm going to make them pretty big. Just do those dots like before, just like snow, fill in any bits you have left. Now I'm going back in with that festival glitter from earlier, and I'm just going to add a wee bit to the middle of each snowflake and just spreading the glitter around the rest of my chest very loosely. Diamonds, you normally get little eye pieces, so I'm going to just stick those under. Okay, so that is me done with this snowflake queen. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you do recreate it, please tag me in on Instagram. It is DebbieLee_makeup. So yeah, bye, see you in the next video.